Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. New notification for the session B.Ed second semester 23-25. A big problem, but the university trying to consider them. Those students are not eligible or not submitted their migration. They are allowed to their form fill up from 27th November to 30th November. If their migration is not clear before the publication of result, then their result will be kept withheld. That means when the result will published, your result will showed RW, that means result withheld. So be careful and contact with your college and form fill up from 27th November to 30th November. Thank you for watching. If there is any problem, comment on our video section. Thank you.